Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Phantom 5, not yet. I'll have that coming right up. Last week I put out a video regarding the DJI Phantom 5 in what was purported to be a mock-up slash possible prototype of a Phantom 5 using a Phantom 4 body and shell and with an interchangeable lens system. And we saw from the pictures that I posted that this was precision engineered and looked very much to be real. And we were all, very encouraged by this because we haven't really seen a lot concrete on the DJI Phantom 5. Today in DroneDJ, Hey Kestelu who runs DroneDJ, put out an article, and I'm gonna put the first slide up on the screen right now, and this is from Twitter. DJI confirms these photos do not show a new Phantom 5 drone with an interchangeable lens system, and there's a link to the article. Now, I'm also going to put up right after that, he had received an email from DJI regarding this, confirming this. So let me read this email to you as well, and it's up on the screen. No problem, answer in bold italics. Does this mean that if and when a new Phantom 5 would be announced that it will not have interchangeable lenses? And the answer was, we don't comment on information like this. Sorry, Hey. Also, can I quote your email? And here's the quote from DJI. The Phantom 4 drone with interchangeable lenses cited in some online publications is not a DJI product for public sale. To clarify, this was a modified Phantom 4 Pro drone designed for an enterprise client to serve specific application needs, end quote. Okay, I'm going to read part of this article, and again, I'll put the link to it in the description from DroneDJ. And again, I'm only going to read part of it because it is kind of lengthy. But over the last couple of weeks, we've seen various photos pop up of two gray silver DJI Phantom drones with an interchangeable lens system. Many people, including us, had been hoping this was indeed a prototype of a new DJI Phantom drone with interchangeable lenses, potentially an amazing setup for any serious photographer who appreciates the flexibility and quality of a fixed focal length or prime lenses, but without breaking the bank. Sort of a mini Inspire 2 / Zenmuse X7 combo. However, without saying that such a drone may never be introduced, DJI did state in an email to DroneDJ, Hey, that these photos do not show a new DJI Phantom 5 drone, but a one-off custom-built drone for one of their enterprise customers. Bummer, I know. And you can read the rest of the article, and it's very good. And also, if you haven't followed him on Twitter, I would highly recommend that. Hey runs a very good, not only a web page, but also Twitter account as well. He does update that on a daily basis. There's a lot of good information out there. So I would definitely do that. And again, I'll put a link in the description to this article. So Bill, what does this mean? Well, this means that what we saw in these pictures, it was a mock-up of a Phantom 4. It was an actual Phantom 4 Pro that was built for an enterprise customer. But let's go back to what I've said many times, and I know you've heard this from me, is that DJI does not waste technology. Things that you see in the high-end drones, you see them in the lower-level drones. Obstacle avoidance was something you never heard of with a Phantom 1, but you have obstacle avoidance in a Spark right now. Okay, these things do trickle on down. What I'm saying is, whether it's going to be in a Phantom 5 or maybe a Phantom 6, we don't know. But an interchangeable lens system is something that DJI just showed here. We saw more than a proof of concept. We saw something that obviously is working, and they designed this for an enterprise client. And obviously, they're taking that time, that money, that expertise, that technical knowledge that they gained from this, and you'll see this in a future DJI product, whether it'll be a Phantom 5 now or maybe a Phantom 6 down the road. Something that, again, will bring like they said in the article, like Hay said in the article, which was a good point, a Inspire 2 type of platform down to a Phantom 4 type of platform. Does this mean that we're going to still be seeing a Phantom 5? Of course it does. And I'm thinking it's going to be late third quarter, early fourth quarter. This is something we haven't really seen a lot of information from DJI on a Phantom 5 or also for that matter for a Mavic Pro 2 at this point. They've been playing this very close to the vest. They haven't let out a lot. Remember last year before the Spark, we saw some pictures of the Spark come out with the ruler by the side, showing measurements of it. And again, we also saw some photos of the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 before it came out. You know, so this is something we will see, whether it's in a Phantom 5, whether it's in a Phantom 6, or down the line. I believe DJI is definitely going to use this technology. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI or Autel related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post regular updates there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.